friends, it's Lori, and today my family and I went out and visited the gorgeous Hope Flower Farm out in Loudoun County. It's about 30 minutes from my home, and I love to come here at all seasons of the year. So this is their private farm. They do open it up to the public. They also have a gift shop and a winery, and they do events, incredible events. I've been to some in the past. So I thought I'd just take you along and show you some little clips of the garden at the end of summer. The zinnias are incredible right now. You'll see lots of butterflies, and the dahlias. So Hope Flower Farm is known for their spring peonies. They have hundreds of them. And then also not only the zinnias and the cut flowers, but the dahlias. So they do a dahlia days at the end of September. So today when we visited, the dahlias have definitely been cut. There is so much new growth, and I know by the time in a couple weeks, they're going to be just, 4 to 5 feet tall and blooming. But today I was able to bring home a gorgeous bucket of dahlias. I wanted to pick colors that I didn't have in my garden. And so I'm going to do a floral arrangement for you, or show you the video of it at the end of this video. So I hope you enjoy seeing a little bit of the Virginia countryside and the gorgeous Hope Flower Farm. It was a gorgeous day to be out at the farm. We really enjoyed our time out there. If you're ever in the Virginia area and want to come out, Loudoun County is full of amazing wineries, and the Hope Flower Farm is something you don't want to miss. So now I'm just adding some 9-bark and some sedum from my garden, and then we are going to fill this little container full of dahlias. It's going to be packed. I hope you enjoy it.